my spin from RFL Ahmedabad. Today I make a spider. The parts I have used are motor, motion sensor, smart hub, rope and many more parts. I'll show you some information about spiders. Some spiders in snow areas have blue blood and there are 38,000 species of each spider. Now let me show you how it works. When I will put my hand here, motion sensor will detect my hand and it will throw the rope down, and when I will put my hand again, the rope will come up again. Now let me show you a demo and it will catch the insect. Thank you.